Today I'm going to show you how to pressure cook delicious lentil soup aka Sambhar in Miriam's clay pot. Add 1 cup of soaked lentils to the pot and add 3 to 4 cups of water. Add chopped onions, tomatoes, slit green chilies, turmeric and cover and let it cook for 20 minutes on medium to low heat. Now open the lid and check if the lentils are almost done by smashing a few lentils against the wall of the pot. When they are almost done, they are softer and more smashable. You can add chopped vegetables to this soup at this point. I am adding chopped bell pepper, broccoli, eggplant and okra. Add the vegetables to the pot, give it a stir, cover and let it cook. After about 10 to 15 minutes, open the lid and add tamarind pulp and jaggery. If required, add 1 more cup of water, then add some salt. Add sambar masala. This step is optional. Stir it in, cover and cook for 5 more minutes. Tempering of digestive spices is an important part of cooking a healthy sambar. With the destructive heat in metal pots, tempering is typically done in a separate vessel on low heat, then added to the main pot with the sambar. When cooking in Miriams, because of the gentle non-destructive heat, tempering can be done right in the pot. And here's how to do it. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil to the soup. Cover and let the oil heat up for 3 to 5 minutes. Oil will not mix with water unless stirred, so you can cover and not worry about it. After this, open lid, add cumin and mustard seeds, add curry leaves if available right on top of the oil. Let them get coated with the heated oil. Then in a few minutes, stir the ingredients with the rest of the pot. And there you have it, a delicious and healthy sambar dal made right in Miriam's clay pot. The benefits of using Miriams for cooking are many. It's a natural, eco-friendly alternative to additional metal cookware. Miriam's earthenware retain heat and moisture, allowing your food to cook more evenly and retain its nutrients. Enjoy this sambar with some white rice.